This video is about how an audio controlled wheelchair works. Hello everyone, welcome to our project video, Audio Controlled Wheelchair. As we just begin to start trying different modes of projects, so this is just starting a basic wheelchair project with an audio embedded into it for the working with our vocal that user needs. So, coming to the hardware part of our project, this is the model of our project. So getting into the video, we'll see
Forward,
how the hardware works.
stop, backward, right, backward, left, forward, backward, right.
So previously we have seen how it works, and now let's look into the block diagram of it. So we have used a smartphone with an Android app developed in it, and we connected it with the phone Bluetooth, and this is the transmission part of it. Coming to the receiver part, the HC05 Bluetooth is the component that we use to pair with Arduino board, and that connection takes to the connection with the L293D motor driver IC, where the DC motor consists of left and right side connections. So here is a circuit diagram, that is a hardware connection. Let's see about Bluetooth to Arduino connection. So in this circuit, Bluetooth TX pin is connected to the RX pin of the Arduino. Like that, VCC of the Bluetooth is connected to the 5V of the Arduino. Again, ground to Bluetooth of the connection with ground. Next, L293D to Arduino connection. This motor driver L293D input 1 pin is connected to the 6 pin of the Arduino, like that input 2 to 7th, input 3 to 8th, and input 4 to 9th, and ground to ground. Next, moving to the battery to Arduino connection, the positive pin of the battery is connected with the input volt of the Arduino, negative pin with the ground of Arduino. Next connection is with battery to L293D connection. That will be like a positive connection to VSS motor and negative battery to the ground of L293D. So this is all about the hardware part and its connections. Now let's move to the software part of our project. So this is the Android app which we developed, and this shows the login page of it. And let's, just like the Google Assistant works, the speak box pop-ups, and according to the given command it is going to work. So let's see a very short video that how this is going to be work. So that is all about. Here comes the Arduino code. So basic code explanation will be like A2, 3. This represents the RX and TX pin of it, and R1, R2, L1, L2 is about all these represents the pin connection of the Arduino from the motor driver IC. For if else statements, if the code will be like T is equal to F, that means forward, T is equal to B, that means backward, and T is equal to R, that means right, and T is equal to L, that is left, and S is for stop. So here is the Android application code, that is these files are used for the importing purposes. Next, on create, that is output text that represents the text box, and the word BTLN is for button, that is assigned for the button purpose. BTLN speak, it is assigned for the speaking purpose. So next declaration of BTLN of the, that is for the movement, for the moving purpose of the hardware, where this code get assigned to the Bluetooth mode code declarations. Next part is coming to important, that is the tripart execution. So this is to call the function of the Bluetooth connected devices, and the address and information are taken from this part of the code. So coming to the intent part, that is very important that this code part is executed in the form of, that is, it opens the window for the mic displaying purposes. This is what the code which is used for the mic opening window. Next, that is a start activity for the result. So this is also a main important part of code, that is for the working of speaking and commenting of the word, or just like a speak window, which this code converts into the string with a null value. So this output text command is the result for what command we spoke in the window. Next, coming to the comment equal, that is with comments. This part of the code explains then that comparing the string with the given command, like S for stop and F for forward, like that. Finally, end of the code, that is private void, and that passes the information of the Bluetooth. And lastly, an exception is, so this represents about if we cannot pass a command and when it displays an error. That is the purpose of E. So this is all about our project. Thanks for watching.